up in just a little bit. We'll keep you updated on that hazmat situation. I'll have more wreck checks and drive times for you when I come back in a little bit. But for now, let's toss it over to Paul, the check of weather.
And we do have some showers on the forewarned live radar that are making their way into Davidson County. It's pretty light activity, but just enough to wet down the roads a little bit. We'll start with the bus stop forecast and send the kids out the door with an umbrella or a rain jacket. Even if you're in a part of the mid-state that's still dry for the moment, they're eventually going to need that later on today. And the cloud cover, the shower activity, is going to keep temperatures cool throughout the day as well. Talking only upper 40s for highs later on today. But it's falling as rain, not snow. So let's take a look at some snow totals. You can live vicariously. This is from that big snowstorm in the northeastern U.S., especially New England. Maine bore the brunt of it. 30 inches of snow in Cary, Maine. That's 2.5 feet of snow. Just imagine that. The all-time record for Nashville was set way back in, I believe, the 1890s. March 17th, I know was the date, but it was 17 inches of snow. So a lot of places got more than that. Augusta, Maine, 2 feet of snow on the dot. Around here, we just have rain showers spreading in from the west this morning. Let's check those in the forewarned live radar. Very light showers moving into the western half of Davidson County, extending back into Cheatham County, southern Robertson County. Some steadier, heavier rain in the northwestern corner of the mid-state, the western half of southern Kentucky. That activity is going to continue making its way in from the west and northwest as we head, west and southwest as we head through the day. See the southern half of the mid-state largely dry at this point, but there's more rain where that came from. It's all out to our west in Missouri and Arkansas. It extends all the way back into Oklahoma and Texas as well. The best chance of rain during the day along and north of I-40, and then this evening and tonight, it's gradually going to get shoved a little bit farther to the south, and it's going to be mostly out of here by this time tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at some WeatherBug camera perspectives from across the mid-state, and just a lot of cloud cover for most locations because those showers are confined to just one corner of the mid-state so far. Still looking dry right now from the city of Clifton in Wayne County. Skies brightening in Madison, but those showers moving in from the west. The cloud cover is going to block our view of the sun for most of the day. Updated image from the St. Henry School in West Nashville. Still looks pretty dark there, but no puddles in the parking lot just yet. No visibility issues either. We're not talking any fog, and the rain is not going to be heavy enough to produce any visibility problems. You'll be able to see any traffic issues before you get up on those. Temperatures are warm enough for just rain, but it's not a warm rain. Right around 40 degrees where the clouds are present. Where the clouds have been a little later to arrive, you're still in the low to mid 30s in eastern middle Tennessee. We're not going to warm up much throughout the day, only to the mid to upper 40s this afternoon. A little below average, but again, warm enough. Those are the key words this time of year, that what you're seeing on the radar simulation here is going to be falling in the form of rain. Some showers in southern middle Tennessee. So when I say along and north of I-40 during the day, I mean for the most part. It's a generalization. There are going to be a few showers kind of creeping elsewhere across the mid-state. A little break in the action around drive time this evening. Fingers crossed for that, but then more rain is going to be spreading in from the west initially along I-40, and then that creeps farther to the south as we head into the late night hours, but just a lingering chance of showers early tomorrow morning. A cool day even once the sun emerges, and then we really warm up after a cold start Thursday. Up into the 60s by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even close to 70 for the President's Day holiday. That's a good way to celebrate a holiday.
Oh, it certainly is. That weather's looking very nice. In the meantime, grab your umbrella today. 6:21 for your